wanted this to be the scariest depiction of Dracula ever.
There's something potent about that mythology. Everyone knows fear, and I think Dracula represents that.
This chapter of Bram Stoker's Dracula hasn't been told. What actually happened on the ship that transported Dracula from the port of Varna to England is by itself just fascinating.
Dracula is trying to find more people, more blood, a better place to feed.
This looks like a bite.
What better place than the huge city of London?
Search the ship everywhere.
It's monster time when the lights go out.
I really loved this alien-style story set on the ocean in 1897 and with Dracula instead of the alien monster. It was just all the elements were really exciting.
He is here.
There's no way off this ship, and that evil is lurking right there.
We get to experience this extreme emotion of fear, but safely.
May God have mercy on us all.
He's the perfect monster.
You look at the images, and it's just magic, man. It's magic.
His name is Dracula.
And I want to kill the cursed thing.